And a quick view here. Sightseeing with the Human Rights Archery 58, now completely framed. I added a wooden abacus I had bought at a charity thrift store some years ago. And then I have two pieces of metal, and I added a sea rope I had picked up on beach walks some years ago. So we have two allegorical sea monsters. This one has writing in it. It says weird GOP. This one says Trump and Ku Klux Klan, race hate, exclamation, blech. And my memorial portrait of Denise McNair, age 11, murdered by the terrorists of the Ku Klux Klan when they bombed a Christian church in Birmingham, Alabama, September 15th, 1963. She was 11, and the three other girls murdered were close in age, a little bit older, like 12, 13. They were all close in age to me. I was 13 that year. All right, there you have it. The allegorical sea monsters and Trump and Ku Klux Klan, race hate, blech. Weird GOP in memory of Denise McNair, of blessed memory.